So we've done some studs with the screw in here, but there is some areas on my RV that I don't want to use a screw. This is a very thin section here, so the screw would come right through the other side. So for this particular spot, I'm just going to go with the 3M only. So first thing I got to do is clean the surface very well. I want to use some mixture of isopropyl alcohol and water, not more than 70%. You want some water in there so that it doesn't evaporate right away. It gives the alcohol time to actually sit there and clean the surface a bit. So we'll clean that really well and let it dry. Then we'll want to mark out where we want the stud to go. Right about there looks pretty good for me, so I'll just take a pencil and make a little circle there. And then we want to use some primer, and that just helps the stud stick better. It kind of fills in any gaps on the surface that you might have and gives it a better bonding. So you just break that and then you shake it and you'll get some liquid come out of that. And if it's got a felt tip on it. So by tracing it out, you won't waste your primer pen. You'll be able to do a lot of them at the same time. Then we'll let that dry till the primer's dried. Then we just carefully peel the back off and press it in place. And then you just want to push on it. They say about 15 pounds of force. It's just so that that whole pad gets a good bond. Hopefully you can do this in weather that's around, at least 60 Fahrenheit. It's kind of like 70 or so would be ideal. And then I think it sets up in a few hours, but it takes like a full day or so before it's fully bonded. But once that's fully bonded, that takes a lot of force to remove that after that. It'll work pretty good. There we go. That's it.